where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi!
Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to start this session with another poem that is called Charlie's Cherry Tree. In Unit 5, fifth poem, Charlie's Cherry Tree. Now let us see who has written this poem. This poem was written by Colin West. As you know that fourth poem, Things to Throw and Catch, also written by Colin West, and this poem Charlie's Cherry Tree was written by Colin West. So today in this session we are going to study reading the poem, about the poet and new words, and also explanation and theme of the poem. Are you ready? Okay, first of all, let us see about the poet. Look at the picture. He is a poet, is called Colin West. He was born on 1951 in London, and he was written many books for children. Here I have mentioned 3 books. Look at here. So first one, a collection of nonsense verse, and second one, Things to Throw and Catch. As you know that this poem, and now Charlie's Cherry Tree, third one, poem. Now we are going to study. See? So this is a brief information about the poet, who Colin West. Now let us see the list of meaning of new words. First one, whack. Here whack means to strike hard with a sharp blow. So if it is a considered verb, it is to strike hard, means to cut hardly with a sharp blow. Then if it is a considered as a noun, here wax means pieces. When we cut sharp blow, with a sharp blow, 2 pieces of the wood, nice pieces of the wood to make furniture, those pieces we call wax. And next one, chisel. Chisel, if it is considered as a noun, it means a tool with a long steel blade and a sharp edge, used for shaping stone, wood or metal. So here, to make wax means to make the shape stone or wood, nice shape, we need chisel. Here chisel means it is a tool. If it is considered as a verb, chisel means to cut in piece. Is it? And third one, hasty. Hasty, it means quick action without thinking, or thoughtless or careless action without thinking the taking something decision. Is it? Something doing without thinking or carelessly. And next, chop down means cut in pieces. And wonder, it means to query in the mind. Wonder means to thinking, to making question in mind, or become surprised, realizing what they have done. Is it? Wonder. Next, axe. As you know that it is also a tool to cut trees. And next one, fit of anger. It means to throw a tantrum or to display a very bad temper. It means with angry doing something. Is it? That is to throw at tantrum means to show bad temper. Displaying a very bad temper. Shouting, something doing in angry. Is it? I hope it is clear. So without further delay, let us see our poem Charlie Cherry Tree, Unit 5. So before going to start this poem, you should keep your textbook in front of you and put your finger. Are you ready? Okay, let us start. Every summer Charlie waited by his cherry tree. Cherries grew and Charlie picked them, had them for his tea. When one summer Charlie waited, cherries didn't grow. Charlie waited for a long time, cherries didn't show. All through summer Charlie waited, autumn, winter, spring. Charlie waited for a whole year, didn't get a thing. Charlie mad, Charlie angry. Charlie took an axe. Charlie chopped his cherry tree down, only took 2 whacks. With the wood then Charlie chiseled. Charlie made a chair. Now he sits and Charlie wonders what he is doing there. Charlie sad, Charlie sorry, Charlie wishes he hadn't been so hasty, chopping down his cherry tree. Wow, very nice poem it is. Very meaningful, wonderful meaning of this poem. Written by Colin West. Now once again recite this poem loudly with the right emotions and feelings by seeing the pictures. Look at here. Every summer Charlie waited by his cherry tree. Cherries grew and Charlie picked them, had them for his tea, had them for his tea. When one summer Charlie waited, cherries didn't grow. Charlie waited for a long time, cherries didn't show, cherries didn't show. All through summer Charlie waited, autumn, winter, spring. Charlie waited for a whole year, didn't get a thing, didn't get a thing. Charlie mad and Charlie angry, Charlie took an axe. Charlie chopped his cherry tree down, only took 2 whacks, only took 2 whacks. With the wood then Charlie chiseled, Charlie made a chair. Now he sits and Charlie wonders what he's doing there, what he's doing there. Charlie sad and Charlie sorry, Charlie wishes there he hadn't been so hasty, chopping down his cherry tree, chopping down his cherry tree. Wow, very nice poem it is. Have you enjoyed it? Okay, you too recite this poem by your own tune. Now we are going to explain this poem. Are you ready? Okay. Dear children, before going to explain this poem, I would like to ask you a question. Tell me, have you ever planted anything in your home or in your school? Of course, you have planted. It may be flower plants or it may be fruit plants, it may be show plants. Is it? Because every child wants to plant. He was curious. Child's curious to plant. Is it? So in this poem, a boy, his name Charlie, he planted a cherry tree near his home and he was waiting in summer, in every summer, and cherries grew in his cherry tree. He picked them and had them his tea. Here his tea means it may be time, it's the time of the morning, or it may be evening snack time. He was having cherries in his tea time. Here in his tea means time, that time he was having cherries, those cherries. And next, when one summer Charlie waited, cherries didn't grow. So as usual he was waiting every summer, but what happened? One summer Charlie waited, but cherries didn't grow, and he waited for a long time. He waited, maybe after will grow in his cherries, but he waited for a long time. He waited for a many month, but cherries didn't show in his cherry tree. Next, what happened? All through summer Charlie waited. He waited all through all summer months, and also he waited autumn, winter, spring. It means he waited not only summer season, he waited autumn season and winter, but spring, but cherries didn't grow. He waited whole year, autumn season, summer season, winter season, and also spring season. How many seasons are there? 4 seasons. So whole year he waited for cherries, but he didn't get any cherries in his tree. So then Charlie become mad, and Charlie become angry. He became angry and he took an axe. Here look at the axe. It is a tool to cut the trees. Here look at the picture in his. So he with angry, when cherries did show whole year, he become mad and with angry, in the fit of angry means with an angry, he cut down, chopped his cherry tree down with a tool, an axe. He cut down, he chopped down his cherry tree, and only took 2 wax. Wax means what? 2 pieces. He took 2 pieces. When Charlie cut down his cherry tree, he took 2 wax means 2 wood pieces, hard wood pieces, and those he chiseled. Those pieces he chiseled. Look at the picture. Chisel, it is a tool to make furniture, to make fine shape that wood. And here look at here another one tool, that is called hammer. So he took chisel and chiseled that wood and made a chair. Now when he made a chair, he sits, means he sat in front of that tree which he was cut down. So there in that place only left trunk of the tree. Here look at here, only left trunk of the tree. He sat in front of that and started thinking. Charlie wonders, means he become wonder and started thinking what he was doing there. What he was doing there? What I have done? Then he realized that, and he should not be so hasty. Means he should not be take quick action without thinking, with angry. He should not be done that hasty thing. So then he realized and become sad and become sorry himself and sorry and also wished he wants to wish that, oh, what I have done. I wish I had not been so hasty. Which one is hasty thing? Chopping down his cherry tree. So he should not be hasty. He should not be take quick action without thinking. He should not be cut down that cherry tree. One summer he did not grow the cherries. He should be wait still. Another one summer, another one year he can wait, but he didn't do that one. But he had cut down that tree with a quick action, means without thinking, with angry he cut down that tree. So here this is the whole explanation about this poem. I hope you understood. And also what we learn from this poem? Do you know, children? So by this poem we have to calm while taking decision. Isn't it? So we should not be do hurry while taking decision or doing something. So that is the theme of the poem. We have to calm. We have to have patience while doing something, while taking decision. Is it? I hope you understood. So now take down the homework. Your homework, write the poem and meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the poem one time. Okay, children? So I hope you understood this poem. So we will meet in the next lesson. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, my dear students.
Thank you, thank you.